Hey Doodle Lovers, here is Lelo's Cavapoo litter. They are 3.5 weeks old. They're just gorgeous and sweet as can be. Look at their little faces. They are so sweet. Here's our little girl here, Cupid. Oh, little yellow. She's so sweet. And we have little boy Vixen here. He's gonna have a curly coat. He's very sweet little guy. Then we have Rudolph here, red collar. And Comet is orange collar. The 3 boys on the left here. And the one sweet little girl. Got white on her chest and on her chin. Red is also gonna have a curly coat, a little white on his chest. Blue has the darkest color coat. He is dark, beautiful red. Comet has a beautiful white blaze on his nose, little white chest. These are Lelo's puppies, 3.5 weeks old.